Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss class 9 NCERT Maths textbook chapter 8 theorem 8.3. So we have discussed the first two theorems previously in the previous videos. So in this theorem 8.3 we see that if each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. So each pair of the opposite sides in a quadrilateral, so we are considering a quadrilateral, and if one particular each pair, okay, so if it is going to be this pair and this pair, likewise this one and this, they are going to be equal, then we can say it is going to be a parallelogram. And now we'll get into the proof of it. Okay, so given is that the sides, that is each pair of opposite sides are equal, that means we are given that AD is equal to BC. So we are considering AB, CD, and your AB is equal to DC. Okay, likewise AD is equal to BC. So this is what is given. Okay, we will have to prove that it is a parallelogram. To prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, is a parallelogram. Now we'll get into the proof. So for the proof, when we get into the proof, we already know that if this is going to be equal, then we can say that we can talk about the angles. Okay, so if this is equal, then we can immediately say that here AC is common. So we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. If these two triangles are congruent, then we can talk about the angles also. So we can say that this angle will be equal to this angle. How we can say that? ABC. So we will draw the triangles ABC and CDA. So this is the common side. Okay, and this side is equal to this. AB is equal to DC. Likewise, your AD is equal to BC. Okay, so all this we've got here. So now, if these two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding angles will also be equal. Okay, that is what we can see next. So in that case, we can say that your BAC, okay, BAC is equal to ACD. So BAC is equal to ACD. Likewise, your ABC, okay. So you can also talk about this angle BCA, okay. So this is equal to this angle. So in this case, we can say that these alternate angles are equal. So in that case, then for sure it should be a parallelogram. Okay, so we are able to see that angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. Likewise, angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. Okay, so with this we can say that therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Is it clear, children? Yes. So similarly we can even talk about the angles also. Okay, like we said opposite sides are equal and all. So likewise we can talk about the opposite angles also, which we'll be discussing in theorem 8.4 and 8.5. Okay, now just we'll get through the what is given in the textbook. Each pair of opposite sides are equal. So these sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. So all this we are able to say. So this, why? Because these are equal. Okay, in that case then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so when these two triangles are congruent, we can talk about the angles. The angles are also equal. In that case we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, each pair of opposite sides are equal, and conversely, if each pair of opposites are equal, then it is a parallelogram. So to put it in simple words, theorem 8.3 is the converse of theorem 8.2. Hope you understood, children. Okay. Next we'll be seeing about the next theorem 8.4 and 8.5 in the next video. Hope you understood this. See you again in another video, children. Thank you, children.